Back home, just what fueled the, quote, distinct shift in the statements by key witness Cecilia Sue in the sex for contracts trial of Boon Gay? The issue was under scrutiny today as a hearing continues for the former chief of the Central Narcotics Bureau.
Ms Cecilia Sue wasn't in court, but her differing CPIB statements continued to take centre stage in the trial. Ms Sue had given 10 statements to the CPIB. In the first 4, she admitted to a consensual sexual relationship with Eng. But from her 5th statement onwards, taken on 12th January this year, Ms Sue said she was forced. This prompted Eng's defence lawyer, senior counsel Tan Chi Ming, to question CPIB Deputy Director Teng Khee Fatt if he had doubts, as Ms Sue had raised concerns her husband would not be happy if a relationship with Eng was made public. But Mr. Teng said Ms Sue did not change her tune. She just provided more details. At one point, senior counsel Tan accused Mr. Teng of influencing Ms Sue to say she broke up with Eng so as to make good the charges. He also said CPIB was bent on moving charges. But the defence withdrew the allegations after prosecution asked if he was casting doubt on the integrity of CPIB and demanded an apology. At this point, District Judge Siva Shanmugam also questioned the relevance of the accusations. Mr. Teng was the second person to take the stand when the trial resumed and will be back in court the next day. In the morning, a senior director at Oracle Corporation, Mr. Koh Hong Eng, gave his account of how Ms Sue was actively pursuing CNB and the Ministry of Home Affairs as clients. Mr. Koh said it was normal to do so in the IT industry. The public gallery was relatively packed, but the absence of key prosecution witness Ms Sue meant that not as many members of the public turned up in court. In fact, the long queues that used to form outside the courtroom no longer exists.